How to sign up for a new account on Figma. Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily create a new Figma account. Open up your web browser and then simply search for Figma and hit enter. If you guys didn't know, Figma is a collaborative web application for interface design with additional offline features enabled by a desktop application for Mac OS and Windows. Go ahead and open up figma.com. And once you do that, you can click on either login or get started for free. If you have an account, you can just directly log into it and start using it. But if you're new, click on get started for free. Now go ahead and click on continue with Google, which is going to be a lot easier than actually manually entering your email. Select your Google account and then click on continue. Once you do that, the CAPTCHA is loading, so just verify the CAPTCHA and you should be able to log into your account. And as you can see here, once the CAPTCHA has been verified, you have successfully created a new account on Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.